We have a story that extends from cotton to fabric. We have to take good care of our home planet, Earth. Sustainability and zero-waste production is more important than ever. With that in mind, we founded DNM Denim Mill in 2011 with the investment of Erol Holding, producing millions of meters of denim fabric in Egypt plants with our nature-friendly, zero-waste technology. Our first-in-class certified system helps to reuse 84% of the recycled water and reduces the carbon footprint in production. As a global denim fabric mill, DNM establishes sustainable relationships with its customers through the offices in Istanbul headquarters, Italy, LA and UK. Our excellent, ecologically friendly produced denim fabrics and services welcomes leading global fashion brands with their unique colors and wide product range.